Microsoft just made coding jobs obsolete with one update. Their new Copilot Workspace can literally build entire applications from scratch. And developers everywhere are freaking out. This isn't just autocomplete anymore. We're talking complete code bases generated in minutes, instead of weeks. You type what you want, and Copilot builds the whole thing for you. Early users are reporting insane speed improvements. We're talking 90% faster development times. Companies are seeing apps that used to take months now getting done in days. The impact is already hitting. Companies are cutting developer headcount as AI handles more of the heavy lifting. But here's the twist: it's also creating entirely new jobs. Smart developers who learn to work with AI instead of against it are now making 3 times more money. They're becoming AI prompt engineers and system architects. The coding industry just fundamentally shifted overnight. If you're a developer, you need to adapt fast or get left behind. Follow for more AI updates that are reshaping entire industries.